Well, good morning to you. Yeah, Monday Mutter time. Absolutely marvellous. Hope you've had a good weekend. The weather, we've got it all sort of mixed, haven't we, at the moment? It's cold, a bit windy, sunny, a bit rainy, everything. Oh, welcome to England, I reckon. I hope you got out on your bike. I hope you managed to get some photos, and get them sent to me. I've got loads of YouTube favourite emails with your 2 favourite email channels. It's going to take me quite a while to do it. I'll probably aim to do it around New Year, so the cut-off point will be the end of this week, I think. So if we say Friday for the cut-off for sending me your favourite 2 channels, and I'll try and get the video out. I need to, ideally, I'll do it, maybe reveal it with Willie. I don't know. We'll see. I'll think on it. But still keep sending them. I've got a very busy week this week. That was Mrs. Tame then. She was just phoning on my phone, I could see, and then she drove past the other way. It threw me mid-mutter. There you go. Just wanted to say as well, Nikki B sent us, the pair of them, the bees, let's call it, the bees sent me, it doesn't sound right saying the bees, does it? They sent me some Tunnocks and some Ringtons. Now, I don't know if you remember Ringtons. I think they're still going, but they took me straight back. They sent me some Ringtons wafers. Can you believe that? Absolutely marvellous. Along with some Tunnocks for a comparison. So, the next Technical Tuesday, I'll do a comparison of them. Ringtons, straight back to my childhood. Used to have them delivered. In a black and yellow and gold, I think it was, van. I don't know whether it is a Morris Marina van or something like that. You know, the sort of van. Absolutely marvellous. And I hope they taste like they used to when I was a kid. That'd be wonderful. Oh, look at that naughty boy. Let's crack on with photos anyway. And I'll get straight out there with Charlie, and I'm going to show some more photos of Andy's Riley, or do you call it rally? I don't know how you call it. Absolutely wonderful. You reckon 80 miles an hour, no trouble at all. Wonderful, great picture. And I also got some photos from Jerry, who has been fitting hell and all of those oilers. You know, I showed last time. But anyway, he got out on his bullet and sent us some pictures of that, and fitting it to a Honda, I think it is a Honda CL500 or something like that. Brilliant. Great photo. Then what? Adrian W, the pensioners. Marvellous. Getting ready for the hospice ride. Wonderful. Raising lots of money, no doubt. Fantastic. Down in Devon. Brilliant photos. And I'll tell you, talking of brilliant photos, Lillian, she sent us some pictures of her Bonneville, her one true love, apart from obviously Rob. An electric bike. They've both got electric bikes now. I know. They're not getting rid of their motorbikes, of course they're not, but just another different way of getting about, seeing that wonderful country that they live in over there in Sweden. Let's get around this corner. Got to negotiate the bump as well now. I don't know why they put those in. Great photos, Lillian. Anyway, let's crack on with John C, who he sent us some photos from Long Island. Absolutely marvellous. Got out on his ST1300. Yeah. We came across some buffaloes. Yeah. And do you know what made me think? Those buffaloes actually look a little bit like the ST1300, but what a marvellous bike to get about on, especially when it gets a bit colder. All that weather protection. Great photos. Then what? Ivor sent us a picture, a wonderful picture of his Interceptor and the Humber Bridge. Yeah, absolutely marvellous photo of the Humber Bridge, and of course the Interceptor. Yeah. Then what? Ian H, he got out and about round Hawes, beautiful part of the world. Love Hawes. Yeah, he came across this Santa. Santa's going to feature a lot in this video, what with Christmas and the shortest day coming up. Absolutely marvellous, Ian. Great channel, go over and have a look. Then what? Jerry B, he sent us a picture of his T100. Absolutely marvellous. He's down there, Biggleswade. Yeah, absolutely wonderful. Cracking bike. Then what do I get for... I know. Adrian, my mate Adrian, you know Adrian. He said, Tame, if there's any bike meets left for us to go to next year, he says, you'll be coming across this one. And this is a video of a bike he's got in for tinkering of a mutual friend of ours. He doesn't say his name. But anyway, I'll put the video on now. He says it still requires a little bit, so don't be critical of any knocks and bangs that you might hear. So yeah, I'll put that in now. So there you go, what do you reckon? Oh, wonderful. I can't wait to see that. Like you say, I'm pretty sure Two Wheel Tuesday will survive. They've been mad to stop that. And I'm fairly certain Stonham will survive in some way, because the place ain't going anywhere, is it? It's too many businesses involved. Anyway, let's crack on. Dame, he sent us a picture of his granddad. He said he can't remember what bike it is. We were talking about families and inspiration and things like that. But look at that, absolutely marvellous. That's got to be a Bantam of some description, hasn't it? I don't know what it is. Absolutely marvellous. But he also got out walking with the ducks. Littleport, and he told us about the Harley Davidson thing. Yeah, Dame, I've done a couple of videos there on Harleys. I always try and head that way if I get out on a Harley. Absolutely marvellous, yeah. Harley Davidson bloodline back to Littleport in the Fens. Yeah, wonderful. Thanks, Dame. Another great channel as well that you ought to get over and have a look. Unfortunately, it's resulted in me having to do gardening and stuff. Yeah, thanks, Dame, for that. Then what? Dave, he got out to Port Cowell, is it? Is that how you say it? I don't know. C-A-W-L, Port Cowell. On his marvellous Bullet. It looks cold. Those photos, Dave, it looks cold. Yeah. But then we are in winter, so what could we expect? Let's warm up a bit by going over to New Zealand and IT. Marvellous. He sent us some pictures of his Bonneville, this time with both forks. You might remember he did a Photoshop on one that I showed, and one of the forks was missing. Absolutely marvellous. Great photos. And then Lawrence B, inspired by the photo from Willie. Yeah, got a picture of his bullet in his garage, yeah, with the Royal Enfield sign in the back and that. Yeah, absolutely brilliant. Then what? Oh, now we're starting to get to giraffe territory. Yeah, Dave H. He's been out to visit family in Australia. Absolutely marvellous. Got these pictures of a giraffe roaming wild that took the kids to see. Yeah, absolutely marvellous. Great pictures. And a little video which I guess I can put in now. I was going to save it for a Technical Tuesday. It's Super Dream. Well, you know, he's thought of something to do. Now he's back. He's thought of something to do while the bikes are off the road. Cleaning. Yeah, I'll put the video on now, and I might continue talking because there isn't much noise in there apart from one of those cleaners, and a very handy bit of kit, aren't they? And they do a marvellous job, and all the equipment that you need. Obviously, balancing carbs, it's the reason we got rid of carbs, I reckon. But what a great little video. Yeah, thanks. Absolutely wonderful, Dave. Then what? Taylor, the gorgeous Taylor P. Absolutely beautiful. She sent us a picture of these giraffes that she came across in Provincetown. I don't know whereabouts that is, Provincetown, but a couple of cheeky giraffes there. Absolutely marvellous. Then what? Dave N, he sent us a cartoon. When I grow up, look at that. When I grow up, I want to be a biker. Mum saying, well, I'm afraid you can't be both, you'll have to choose. Yeah, very true. Like that. That did make me chuckle. I like things like that. Subtly funny. Absolutely marvellous. Then what? Phil D. Yeah, in this picture, you can't see me, Phil, but you're probably oblivious to it. But I'm actually in that photo, but you can't see me because I'm behind the Santa hat and the motor guzzi. Yeah, talking to chaps. Yeah, marvellous. Yeah, it was a good morning, wasn't it, Phil? Alright, okay. Miserable old sod. Yeah, it says Merry Christmas to you too, time. Great photo. Oh, we've got the giraffe here. Giraffe, what do you reckon? He says, hey, Tame, are you going to tell them about Glyn sending you that oiler? Yeah, Glyn sent me an oiler. Absolutely marvellous. And he also sent me a picture of his Speed 400 and a cone supervising it. Yeah, brilliant. Yeah, no, Glyn, oh, absolutely marvellous. Sent us, you know, the oiler that Jerry sent. So Bertie will be getting that fitted, but I'll introduce that in a Technical Tuesday with loads of other stuff I need to do. Absolutely marvellous. Then what? PW. Now PW, you'll have seen in the comments he said about getting out on his KTM 390 adventure, and a lot of you will be going, PW, he hasn't got a KTM 390 adventure. Well, he has, because look, he took his Husqvarna in and part X'd it for a new KTM. Absolutely marvellous, and I have been looking at them and I am sorely tempted with one of those. Yeah, great photo. And do you know what, that's about it for photos. Oh, look at that marvellous dog. Apart from, of course, Mark B. Now, you know Mark B. always sends us pictures of his Interceptor and secretly sneaks a tree in the background. Well, of course, it's winter, so this time he sent us a picture of a tree. And I've searched, I can't find the Interceptor, Mark. So it is literally just a picture of a tree. So there you go, absolutely marvellous. bit of a funny mutter, slightly different, lots of giraffes and stuff. Of course, there's only 2 more mutters before Christmas, so I think there's 2, isn't there? Absolutely, yeah, I think there is. So I'll catch you in Friday's mutter for more news, updates, etc, etc. Yeah, if you're out on your bike, ride careful because the weather's lovely, and don't forget to look after your loved ones. And I will catch you in Friday's mutter. Yeah, ta-ta.